going to add our rulers. You can use your quick key, which is Command R for rulers, or you can go View, Rulers. So once again, quick key Command R or View, Rulers, and we want our measurements to be in inches. I hold down the Command key and click onto the corner. Excuse me, it's Command key. And right now I have it set to pixels and we want inches. And we're going to pull a guide at 4 1/4. So if on the left side, I pull out and 1/2, 1/4. And you can see the x-axis is at 4.250, 4 1/4.